So that is IDS, that is IPS, and always take note that the sequence is always firewall, then IDS/IPS rules, and then we'll proceed with malware protection. Now, malware protection, I would say, is not very common in the next generation firewall, but in Cisco, this is probably one of their special features. So I will add here malware protection. And malware protection allows us to block and inspect based on file types. Okay, file types such as XC, what else? PDF, doc, etc. Now, the malware protection feature inspects both upload and download direction. So upload and download. Okay, what else? Here's how it works. Now, let's say we have a malware somewhere in the internet, and this is about to be downloaded by one of the users. Okay, so this is our malware. Okay, and let's say this malware will be downloaded by this user here. So what it will do is malware is downloading. It is allowed by the router. It is allowed by the firewall. It is allowed by the IPS. And let's say this is a known malware. What will happen is that malware will be blocked by the malware protection rules. Okay, again, this is still part of the policy. Now, that policy can have three rules. One is a firewall, one is IPS, and one is malware based. Okay, so it is blocked because it's a known malware. But here's the question: what if this is a 0-day malware? 0-day means that no vendor, no appliance can detect this malware. So how does it work? So again, it is allowed by the router, it is allowed by the firewall, it is allowed by the IPS, and since this is a 0-day malware, it is not marked as known. It is marked as unknown. Now, depends on the rules. You can block this right away, or you can allow this temporarily. So let's say this is successfully downloaded by this PC. Okay, so it has now a malware saved in his disk. But take note, once it is downloaded, okay, there is also an action for malware lookup. So I'm gonna add here malware lookup. And how does it work is this. You see, your FMC knows what files are downloaded. Okay, because hold on, because FMC and your features such as firewall and IPS, they sync some of the events, some of its status and configuration. So your FMC knows there's a file downloaded. And this file, I'm gonna add here file. Okay, and this file is again marked as unknown. It's not malware, it's also not clean. Okay, it is unknown. Now what I will do is it will send it to the malware cloud lookup. So I'm gonna add here malware cloud lookup. Okay, so the FMC will send a hash file. It's not the complete file, it's just the hash, so that it will not be a larger size. And the malware cloud lookup will do its magic. It will do the analysis. It may take hours, it may take days, it depends. So it will do the analysis, and maybe after a few hours, it will report back to FMC. It will tell FMC that file downloaded by this client is a malware. So what will happen is FMC will send alert to the security admins, to the security engineers. Okay, not only that, the effect is the FMC knows that this file is already a malware, so it will tell the IPS, and if some other user attempted to download this zero-day malware. This zero-day malware, for example, this guy here is gonna attempt to download this zero-day malware. It will not happen anymore because this malware protection that we have here already know that this file is a malware, a malicious software, a malicious file. So it will be blocked, and this user here will not be able to successfully download that file. So that is our malware protection rules. Now, there are other features of next generation firewall. Okay, so aside from firewalling, aside from IPS, aside from malware protection, it also has what we call the threat intelligence, just like some or most next generation firewall appliances. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add here, okay, Cisco Talos. Cisco Talos is the Cisco threat intelligence feature. And Cisco Talos, think of it as a large organization or large operations that gathers data. Okay, it gathers data so that it can understand, it can do research, it can analyze these emerging threats. Okay, so Cisco Talos is a security threat intelligence. So basically, it does also security research and development. What else? You see this signature base in our IDS and IPS. Okay, those are being developed in our Cisco Talos ecosystem. So I'm gonna add here signature dev or signature development. What else? It also does incident response. And yeah, this is the threat intelligence features of not only Cisco Firepower, but other security appliance as well.